Yeah. That is a big engine compartment. Gotta love it. Nick Skiba here with another Super Duty. We don't get a lot of these in. People are hanging on to them, so it's great to get it. This is an F-350 2015, second last year for this body style. This is a platinum, so you're going to have the Brunello interior color. Trying to show you that there. Okay, we've got, of course, this platinum comes with about everything. So there's a sunroof, and we've got navigation, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. You name it, this truck has it for its day. We have 135,000 miles on it as we took it in. This is a second owner truck. It was originally purchased here from me and then traded 2 years later. There's a little paint missing off the back bumper there just from some gravel use. And then the person, the second owner, bought it from me and just recently traded it in too on something a little bit newer too. So that's just fine and dandy. We've got a B&W gooseneck ball, or is that, yeah, that's B&W. And then we have an in-bed connector. This has the tailgate step and a bedliner. Truck is really well equipped. Tire tread, perfect. Body perfect. Box perfect. Again, to the dash, the seats, just in amazing condition. And I literally mean like new when I say like new, because aside from that little bit of paint coming off on that one bumper on the other side there, it's just an immaculate truck. And it's priced well, so come check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors. You'll love it. I've sold it twice. It's come back with very happy owners. Let's make the third owner just as happy. I'm Nick Skiba.